Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Ortho Talk. Let us explore this magnificent temple you must have never seen before. So this is the entry of the temple. This magnificent temple is built on a star-shaped platform.
So this is the name of the place is Belo,
Okay.
and inside temple having a beautiful statue of Vishnu.
Okay.
But in our Kannada we practically refer Vishnu as Channa Keshava.
Okay.
So Channa means handsome, beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
Keshava, that is also one of the name of Lord Vishnu. So according to our Vishnu Purana we have here the place where Vishnu took the form of Mohini formation to kill demon Bhasmasura.
Mm-hmm.
Earlier that incident was happened here.
Okay.
Formerly this place well known as Velapuri and now become changed into Beluru Channakesha.
Okay.
Here the main god statue installed in the year 1117 AD, about 12th century.
Okay.
About that we have inscription that is also written there on the basement. That is in old Kannada language.
Mm-hmm.
According to that inscription, it's nearly 900 years old temple.
Okay.
In between 11th to early part of 14th century, more than 330 years, some southwest of Karnataka ruled by Hoysala dynasty.
Okay.
See, they were built like this. 100 temples in Karnataka at different places.
Okay.
And almost temples are smaller in scale.
Okay.
But only at 3 places we'll find this kind of such a very big temple. One here,
Okay.
another Halebeedu. I
Okay.
think after this you are going Hollywood temple also.
Okay.
And one more near Mysore, Somanathapura. That is also Vishnu temple. But in Halebeedu we'll find Shiva temple will be.
Okay.
And all Hoysala temple look at same design.
Okay.
They were built temple on the platform. Edges of the raising platform goes like stars.
Okay.
In the same we can have walls of the temple also.
Okay.
Suppose if you see the temple from the aerial view, totally it looks like lotus, Tamarapam,
Okay. Okay.
Padma,
Okay.
and everything here it's made from stone.
Okay.
Common name to the stone they were used is smooth stone, slate stone, which has gotten special property. So when it was usually found inside the ground.
Okay.
Whenever it was inside the ground, initially when you take out the surface become very smooth, easy to do the carvings.
Okay. Okay.
And after exposed to air and light, gradually it will become very hard like metal.
Oh.
For that reason, artists they are using this kind of stone. And
It's
a
called
large quantity
soapstone.
soapstone.
Okay.
Balapam stone.
Balapam stone. Okay.
And here they have taken almost 3 generations to build this temple.
Okay.
Work commenced during Vishnuvardhana Maharaja, that was completed during his grandson Narasimha Pai.
Okay.
We have 3 entrances to this temple. First one facing towards east, like Pradhana Dwara, south facing and north facing. Approximately around and inside we have nearly 10,000 statues and carvings will be there.
Okay.
You say the whole temple looks like ocean of art. It is not possible to see everything in a time. From
Correct.
after independence, now it's under ASA, Archaeological Survey of India. They took a lot of photos
Okay.
and they selected them as masters because we'll find some repeated panels and statues also in different sizes also.
Okay.
So now usually we're taking half an hour, 40 minutes. So highlight of this temple.
Okay.
So this temple now daily we have 2 times puja according to Pancharatra Hindu texts. So now first we walk around outside the temple,
Okay.
then we go inside.
Okay.
Finally we have to see one freestanding pillar.
Okay.
And we are taking photograph videos of LV.
Okay.
First listen and
Okay.
in free time you make that is good. Please come. Garuda, vehicle of Vishnu.
Okay.
And above the Garuda, Narasimha, the 4th incarnation of Vishnu.
Okay.
And both the sides also there are small sections surrounding. Inside depiction of Dashavata. We'll find fish in the first one. Matsya,
Okay.
Kurma, Varaha, Narasimha, Vamana.
Oh.
Likewise from here are Parashuram, Sriram, Krishna, Bhautrata. See, light also goes very easy to find those circles.
Oh.
It
Nice.
is possible to find gaps like it looks like 3 dimensions.
Oh.
Length, the breadth and depth. And either side will find one mythic animal.
Okay.
The mouth of the animal looks like crocodile pattern.
Okay.
It is the elephant trunk,
Okay.
cow ear, monkey eye, total body like pig body, and below legs are like lions, like behind decorated. We never find such kind of animal.
Okay.
Mythologically, that animal is like us. Makara, whereas Makara,
Makara.
the riding way of god of rain. Both god and goddess seated. Entire lintel pot made of one stone,
Oh.
rectangle stone,
Okay.
and beautifully designed. assistant. So at the right side, we have assistant carrying one monkey also. And she must have holding bunch of grapes in her hand.
Oh.
Probably they're already showing it to monkey but not offering. So to show disappointment is, look at your monkey and it looks like sucking his own toes.
Okay.
This is all the imagination artist. And see the hair bun. And on the top the filigree.
Yes.
It's entirely from one stone, one only.
Okay.
So these are the highlighted Belur.
Okay.
Like we have many around. Now first we walk around outside.
Okay.
Then after the inside.
Okay.
Rani Shankara. There's right
So
side
the center one
philosopher.
is Vishnuvardhana.
Vishnuvardhana Maharaj.
Okay.
Rani here, queen.
Okay.
And the philosopher Ramanujacharya.
Okay.
See the second one, Shuka Sambhashan. There's a parrot on our palm here.
Okay.
The lady looks like talking to that parrot.
Oh.
It shows in those times they were sending messages by means of pigeons and parrots.
Okay.
Such kind of communication system they had. Look at a hand broken, neck is disturbed.
Okay.
Like these are damages by local people.
Okay.
Now we have got proper security.
Okay.
So they have put more down.
Yes, sir.
Sir, we have elephants around.
Okay.
Totally 644 number of elephants are.
Oh.
And each elephant will look like in different market position. No two identical elephant found here.
Oh.
Suppose you make a videograph, then each will look like a moment only.
Correct.
So like Gaja Pade, Gaja Pata.
Oh.
And above we have like musicians, dancers. We can able to pass off finger bend some styles. For example, see here. Like 3 dimension, 3D carving. That shows everything made from stone. They use only hammer and chisel to do all this. And this all looks like a jewelry pattern. That looks like sari border design. And see, some of the statues are spoiled here. And we have missings there on the top of. Example, like we have more than 100 statues had been stolen here.
Oh.
Because those statues are also there, put like pivot and socket man. Easy to put and easy.
Okay.
And nowadays, now we are wearing, she was wearing a half pant. Looks like Bomara Shan.
The girl squeezing her hair after taking bath. The girl holding a bow and hunting birds. Those time only royal girls, royal females were allowed to hunt.
Instrument. You were batting on. And below one more attend here they show link to the strike cloth here. But the angle that I mean branch of the way. You can see the monkey looking at the nothing. Can I do this in the beat? Inside the monkey. This much of detail. And there on the basement we have the signature. That's the India artist name. Also like now Dasoja, Nagoja, like more than 15 chief artists. More than thousands of artists. When you go over that, it can easily turn off the body and remove it. The artist don't here. From here to here, this the body बनाएगा. Here to here बनाएगा. Stereotypes, but fingers are into the thread.
Okay.
Here the threads are looks like they are minor white part.
Light passes through the hollow skull. Detailed sculpture. This girl is wearing dupatta. Like history repeats, fashion also repeats century to century. This is a beautiful carving where a man fall in love with a girl, even if she is not looking good. For him, she looks like an apsara. So to show love is blind. This sculpture showing the live movement of the fingers while playing the flute.
Little about the stone ring broken or damaged. And see the jewelry, earring, necklace, Tulsi mala, long chain, little gap also. And look at the cloth, you know.
This is repeated. Darpan Sundari.
Center column like lotus pattern, Tamarapuma.
Oh,
That is the center point.
okay.
So from here the Garbanka portion will begin, where they could install the statue of Vishnu.
Okay.
So that's why you'll find lot about god and goddesses statues will be there.
Okay.
There again Shiva. Next one, a hand broken, body looks like skeleton. Absana stomach scorpion will be there.
Okay.
Their scorpion symbolically mean how much of poison she has, like Vishapurita, Rakshasi. And we have one more beautiful Dashakanta Ravana, who lives in Kailasha Mountain. Below Shikara, Shiva, Parvati, Central Mandir. It is also made from one wall.
That's Brahma.
The bell and the chain. It looks like real metal chain.
Right.
And next one, Varaha, third incarnation of Vishnu. So after killing the demon Hiranyakashipu, open his stomach and took it out intestine outward.
Yeah.
This stuff looks like intestine. Small and intestine taken away from the body. And look at his tongue lifted upward, eyebrows are bulged out, eyebrows are on. It shows ferociousness. Ugravata. And below we have Ganesha. 8-hand Ganesha dancing on little mouse. So Ganesha means wisdom deity. Nartana Ganapati. It is possible to find jam. And inside looks like veranda or sit out. Portico pattern on the portico design. And observe the ceilings are here. It's on bottom nets. Beams also. Nowadays I have this kind of ceiling made of POP work. Like plaster of Paris or thermoplastic. Not only an entire building, ceiling goes like that.
Okay.
So from ASA they have selected this Narasimha will stand number one masterpiece in this one.
Okay.
Out of all these stand please come and stand here. Take the lions, elephants.
Yes.
Symbolically horses represent speed, lion shows courage, stability, stand by. Vega, Shaurya, Shakti. That shows to become good warrior. Always they need these three characters. And after Hoysala, Karnataka ruled by again Vijayanagara.
Yes.
You know, Hampi.
Yeah.
So Krishna Devaraya constructed that Lakshmi temple.
Oh.
Look at the structure, looks like different from
Yes.
Vijayanagara. And next one we have Kalyana Mandapa, marriage. Vijayanagara, marriage. Here before COVID occurs, our government allowed to conduct marriages. Just that charge, all those things.
So can you please repeat that? So this is under?
So it's under UNESCO.
Okay.
September 2023 onwards, this temple comes under UNESCO. World Heritage Site.
That's great. Yeah.
They have
Just
32 number of angle and edges.
Okay.
In the same we can have look at here also.
I can't. Yeah, correct. All the edges are in a straight line.
Angle. Symmetry. Absolute, they have maintained the symmetry here. Equal number of angles and edges. That's why from the top temple looks like a lotus shape. Nakshatra
Vishnupada.
So inside we have the main deity of Vishnu. It will come 9 feet and 3 feet pedestal, total 12 foot.
Okay.
So proportional, according to that ratio, bunker will flows here. They made the UGD system here through the pipe that will go outside only. So earlier this was collect there in below there is a pit. So that shows we started from front like Jivatma, then Paramatma. Now from Paramatma, again we get to front part Jivatma. See the first part. There on the wall we have some inscription.
Yes.
That was written around the 17th century. We can possibly little bit able to.
This temple was built in 12th century.
12th century. This inscription around 17th century. About donation.
Oh, okay.
So in those times some people could contribute the land, the property.
Oh.
Everything was there.
Okay.
Chandrika.
Chandrika.
Renuka.
Renuka.
And next one. Sargahasta.
Swargahasta.
Bhadraka. It's a skull sort of like real Onda Malika.
Okay.
The scorpion symbolically means how much of poison she lost. It looks like a Vishakanda. So in Chandruka time they had this kind of poison reception. Again this kind of kill enemies. And so you can see the printed titles are see-through. Beautiful dancing. You know the story Vishnu took from Mohini Avatara.
Yeah.
Just get ready to touch his hand.
Wonderful.
How wonderful is that? Filigree also. Here some of the carvings look like made of money.
Which one? Earrings.
Earrings.
Oh, correct.
And she was holding decorated bow also.
That was broken.
One more attender carrying hunted animal.
Okay.
Right side of as attender, below there is a bar. He is trying to remove thorn.
Hastare.
Here you can see.
Yes.
And holding book and wearing rosy mask.
Okay.
So looks like what Let's say among all these dancing photos, now let us see here. The most beautiful girl.
Okay.
She looks like
Okay.
Goddess Abhimane, Kamandi, Proud Lady, Karavagati. These are all the suggestions.
Okay. Comment. Vishnu's grandson, third generation.
Nowadays, these are all fashionably called as ponytail.
Yeah. Okay.
And next one below, attender, get ready to offer it clothing to you. So while actually having ring on one hand, also her friends feel like only kingdom. Because of gravity, always on the base of one. So here we have small Narasimha deity. You know, when Narasimha became Kula Devata of Vaisala. So this pillar known as the summary. I mean, what are the important factors they have made outside, inside, everything shown.
Oh, okay.
So miniature of Velu.
Okay.
Earlier, see this center part is column, it was possible to turn on its axis.
Okay.
Because we'll find gap here. From here, see the gap?
Yes.
From here, they're on top.
Okay.
See there.
Okay.
It's possible to turn. Revolving column, rotating column. Now it's stopped.
Okay.
Because outside the ceiling there was a shikara.
Oh.
Once the shikara broken and from onward, from all four sides, being was a completely cannot be.
Oh, okay.
Otherwise, even today it's possible to revolve it. Revolve. And we'll see another important pillar. Please come this. Little hands broken.
Yeah.
This we call as Mohini pillar. Particularly in this line of artist shown, to become a good dancer, they need a physical character like Samudraka Lakshana, golden ratio.
Okay.
Out of a total body measured from top to toe, at least her face should measure 1/7 size in her body. And in his 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. And her eyebrow looks like the shape of bow, Kamakshi. Eyes like fish, Meenakshi. And we have one more near to base, like Simha Kati. Easy to flexible. And always dancer need arch put. Does not having straight throat. You can see here. Light can also go. It looks like a bow. And one more that shown is commentary. If any girl who has got next to the toe, see here the second toe is a little bit longer than it. That shows luckiness. That shows the commanding edge. Such girls have got ability to control the family after getting married. So you can see the long trunk. Light also will go here.
It's a holographic.
I can pause here. Like including more whole thing. Motam complete from monster monolithic. Hardly it has got around 5,000 kilograms of money.
Oh.
But rest of the pillar made of 5 pieces only.
Okay.
So inside this are the unique pattern like Hoysala pillar. Panchashila Stamba. Each pillar will be the combination of 5 pieces.
Oh.
For example, see at the base. This is the basement, first part, second section, third, octagon, fourth, and you have big square.
Okay.
They have made in different pattern size, then you block the big square. So it looks like bangle design.
Yes.
With 8 corners, Ashtabhuja. One more like sharp edge here. We have waist belt, so you can pass off fingers. It goes like long chain. And earring also. Like all pillars.
Okay.
There in the middle have a column like inverter shape of stand here. Take the photo. See, the structure looks like a Shivalingam already. And below we have Narasimha. And in the middle we have column lotus flower design. All 3 got together here. That's why this is Bhuvaneshwar. Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva. It is completely made from different pieces of stone. And this is the place called Navaranga Pita, dancing stage.
Okay.
This is one of the dancing pose of Queen.
Okay. Awesome.
Emerald type, Falcon type. Next one, Cube design. Like inside you have the front to the parrot on it.
That's good.
The back side, whether like peacock.
Front parrot. Okay. Bhashan.
Gopura upper part recently restored. It looks like new.
Yeah.
Approximately 600 years old as Gopura. From bottom up to length it is from hard stone. Upper part from stone. Ceramics.
This is the pillar.
This is a pillar called Victory Lampo, Vijay Deepa Stamba or gravity car.
Okay.
Approximately it will come around 12-meter height and it has got 20 ton of mass.
Okay.
It was placed around 7th century by local emperor. Even today that is not firmly fixed to the ground. In the middle we'll find the gap.
Yeah.
Possible to see that side. And it is standing on only 3 corners.
Oh.
Particular this side won't touch the ground. Suppose if you pass one hand kerchief that will goes up to the tent, from same direction possible to come.
Okay.
So gap between column and the pedestal.
Okay.
It shows how we are standing on the ground. Depends on our own weight and center of gravity. The whole column will be here more than 400 years without any support or not without any disturbance. Vijay Deepa Stamba.
So it has withstand all the earthquakes.
Statues will be there.
So this is the model
Model. This is the main temple.
of the main temple.
And in the middle, behind Mandapam, Lakshmi temple will be there.
When I stand here in the center and surrounded by the temple and the compound and the big Gopura, and I feel like I am in the Hoysalas era. It's so beautiful.